Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add phone number in TikTok. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you all have to do is go to TikTok application in your mobile phone. And okay guys, here in TikTok homepage, okay, you'll have to do is go to me on the lower right side on your screen. And after that guys, okay, you can see the three dot on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, you'll have to do is click this. And okay guys, here in settings and privacy, okay, you can see the manage account. Okay, you'll have to do is click manage account. And okay guys, here in manage account, okay, in account information, okay, you can see the phone number. Okay, to add the phone number, you'll have to do is click phone number. And okay guys, now you enter the phone number. Okay, we'll send a SMS with a verification code. And okay guys, you enter the phone number. And after you enter the phone number, okay, you'll have to do is click send code button. And okay guys, we have to enter the code sent to your phone number and enter the code here. And okay guys, after you enter the code, automatically add your phone number to your TikTok account. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully add the phone number to your TikTok account. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.